Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. Let's repeat. Questions with verbs, can, may, must. How to use expressions, to be able to, can, and, to have to, must. 90-second lesson. Let's repeat previous lessons. Questions with verbs, can, may, must. Can you help me? May I help you? Must you do it? The verb, can, has a V2 form. Could. Use it to be polite.
For example, could you come? Could you help me?
The verb, may, has a V2 form. Might. Use it for conjecture, possibility.
For example, I might come. You might help.
You can use expressions, to be able to, can, and, to have to, must, in past and future expressions.
For example, I was able to come. I had to come.
Let's remember these expressions.
What's the matter? She might phone later. Let's have a look. A pair of trousers. Michael and I are coming next week. Nothing serious. You had to sell your car to pay the bill. She gets up at 7 o'clock. You look very busy. Can I give you a hand? Neither you nor I want to speak to him. Get off the bus after the church. Get in the car before the grocery store.
Second wave. 35th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include it in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you like this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon for another video.